Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is January 24th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by a half a point. You can see here that the futures really started to struggle and now are coming back into the negative territory side. We'll see what today gives us. We did have Secretary of Commerce on TV, Wilbur Ross, and he was talking about China deal, and they're still a little bit far apart, I guess miles and miles apart, he said. And then he said, we think we could get a deal. So, again, the market's getting a little bit of mixed messages, but we're not going to make much out of this. We also have Mario Draghi speaking right now, and basically he's looking very, very dovish regarding the euro, saying they may need more stimulus. And if you take a look at the euro today, I'm going to pull up a live chart here. You can see that that has fallen pretty sharply as well. So, again, we'll see what today gives us. In the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. So let's get started here. Lots of big companies. First one we're going to start the day off with is going to be Citrix Systems. Ticker symbol CTXS is the ticker symbol there. And you're going to see the stock closed yesterday at 108.54. Now trading at 102. I'm going to have gap level ready to go in the morning for this. So get ready. Citrix is in play this morning. Stock is getting hit a little bit ahead of the opening bell. Let's take a look at FFIV, which is F5 Networks. Right now, this is trading at 156.50. No real volume out here. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. There's nothing I would do with it right now, but we will look at this one a little bit later. Let's take a look at Ford Motor. Ford coming out with earnings. Stock closed at $8.33. It's now trading at $8.36. So we'll leave this one alone. I don't think there's much to do here in Ford yet. We'll see how the market opens up. Now here's a big popper. LRCX, which is Lam Research. Stock right now is trading at 148, closed at 139.33. So this could help the semiconductors today. This is a pretty nice pop from what I see. Still a lot of resistance around the 148 to 150 level. And you can see that's kind of where we made our highs. So again, the stock right now will battle to get above there. If you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, I'd kind of leave it alone for now. Let's take a look at Las Vegas Sands, LVS, sticking with the L's here. That is trading at $55.44, down ticking from the 57.29. There could be some support around 51.10, 51.15, anywhere in that $51 handle. There could be some support, so you got to be a little bit careful with this one today. But I am seeing some support there if it does trade down that low. Not sure how long it will hold, though. Let's take a look at Raymond James. Ticker symbol there is RJF. Stock right now is trading at 79.80, close at 79.90. We'll watch this one once the opening bell rings. Not really making much of a move. Let's take a look at Texas Instruments. TXN is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at 97.05, closed at 95.50. So good little uptick there is another semi-play. Nice little uptick there. I don't see anything all that fantastic. There's still a huge amount of resistance at 100 if it does get back to that level. Let's take a look at United Rentals, URI. Stock right now is trading at 121.50, closed at 116. So good little pop there. A lot of resistance still around 122.5 to 123. And you can see that's where this made the after-hour highs yesterday. Next up, we want to take a look at Xilinx. Ticker symbol here is XLNX. And you're going to see this is trading at 97.75, closed at 89.55. This is a great pop here. When I look at this one, you know, probably wants to go to 100 ultimately. It looks like it got there for a tick in the pre-market here. We'll see if it could get back there. But there's a fair amount of resistance there just because that is such a big whole round number, so you want to be aware of that. Let's take a look at some airline stocks today. American Airlines reporting earnings. Stock right now trading at 33.42, closed at 31.61. Good little pop. I think this still got more upside to go, maybe into the 35.5 to 36 area, but I don't expect it to get there today. So again, American's flying, but it's not flying too high. Let's take a look at Southwest Airlines. Ticker symbol here is LUV. Stock is trading at 53.90. That's a great pop. Closed at 52.01. So when I look at this one, you got a wall of resistance right around 54.25 to 54.5 on the daily chart. That's going to be tough to get through. So keep that on the radar. If it gets through there, though, this does have more room to run. Next up, I want to take a look at JetBlue, JBLU, another airline here. Stock is trading at $17, closed at $17.23. So a little haircut there. We'll keep this on the radar. The only level that really interests me in JetBlue today is really if the stock were to trade down below 15 bucks. So if it got to 14.75 or something, I would be all over it, but I don't know if we're going to see that. But either way, we'll keep it on the radar. Let's take a look at Union Pacific, UNP. Stock right now is trading at 160.60. That's a great move, closed at 154.33. So this is having a really, really good pop today. This actually still has more upside to go. So again, if you own this one, trail the stop loss, but it still can go higher. Let's take a look at Bristol Myers. Bristol Myers right now trading at 48.70, closed at 49.90. This is down ticking just a touch. I don't know if we can make much out of it. I love the $40 level for Bristol Myers, but I don't think it's going to get there today. Let's take a look at one more here. Freeport-McMoRan, ticker symbol is FCX. Stock is trading at $11.73, closed at $12.30. Little haircut there for Freeport Mac. I'm not seeing anything to do, nor a level that would get me interested in it just yet. So let's keep it on the radar. We'll see where we go. Definitely looks like there's some support here, but again, may get a better level around $11 if it gets there. So keep that on the radar. We'll see how it plays out. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today trading down $5. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 120.103. Spot gold right now, from what I see, is trading at $1,279.40 an ounce. Crude oil this morning trading down 32 cents to $52.30 an ounce. So a little down ticking there for crude. If you look at the USO, that is trading at 10.97. USO is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil if you do not have crude oil futures on your board. All right, we're going to wrap it up there. Again, we had another pretty decent day yesterday in the intraday stock chat room. These markets, we have lots of earnings coming out for the next 3-4 weeks. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had a fabulous 2018. We were off to a great start for 2019. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. So once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and we'll see you all a bit later on the charts.